What's up, guys? I'm at the channel. Today is day 11 of daily vlogging. It is actually day 12 of daily vlogging. So what we're doing today, we're gonna try to go outside in a little bit to go work on the semi and stuff. But first, we gotta get some extra cash. Because for one, I gotta buy a PC, which one of the guys at Marketplace finally got back to me. I was gonna build a PC. Problem is, it's another $1,000 on top of my $1,000 I just spent on that. So I'm gonna try to do this the budget way. I'm gonna try to buy one. Maybe upgrade it, maybe just stick with it for a few months or a year, and then build my own. I want to build my own, actually. I've reconnected to my inner heart of building a PC and doing electronic stuff, which I've lost that connection for a long time after college, because college really gave me bad taste on electronics. Long story there, which I can give you guys a whole other thing another day. But yeah, so I finally fell in love with my electronics again and PCs and stuff like that, but still in my car stuff, so. But right now we're looking at tires. I'm looking at getting rid of these 3 tires here. As you can see, this is my warehouse. This is my warehouse of goods. We got 3 tires I'm gonna get rid of. These tires I'm not getting rid of. These are actually all burned up and really not worth anything. Those are my Danger Ranger tires. Those are the ones that go on the Danger Ranger truck. Besides that one, that one's actually just that's from the Danger Ranger on dirt. I don't know where the other ones went. Should have a couple more of those. Did I put them in the truck? No. Oh, they might be outside. They might be outside still. But these have never been outside, like stayed outside. I'm gonna sell them for $150, $50 a tire, $3 tires here. They're usually like $90, $120. I don't know why I bought them at. I'm sure with inflation, they probably went up a little more. So $50 to steal, go with it. $150 for all of them. What else can we get rid of? Also, if you live in the New Jersey area and if you want anything I'm saying I'm selling, you want it, in PA, New York, you know, Delaware, you live nearby, you don't mind come picking it up, come pick it up. I don't care. This is what I'm selling. I want it gone. So if you want it, come and get it. Sadly, I can't get rid of any of this stuff just yet because we're still working on the semi and can't get rid of that stuff yet. We'll be getting rid of these cushions. I will be listing these cushions. I'm gonna say $10 a piece, $20 gone. I don't want them. Get rid of them. They're not needed. Eventually, I'll sell this big. Actually, I can't actually sell this. I can actually probably list it. I can honestly probably lift these things. I can't sell this because it's damaged. I don't know if it's. I don't know where it's at. You can't really tell. I remember when looking at it, I was like, you didn't tell until you touched it. But one of these cam lobes are like destroyed. The big one's fine, but the little one, it's there. But you know, I think that sells for like $400, $500. I'll sell it for $100. $100 is $100, right? Injectors. These are probably good injectors. There's some crappy ones in there, but guess what? $50 a piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 is what? $300? Oh wait, I don't know if that's a deal or not. That is a deal. I think they're $100 a piece. I think they're really $100-something a piece. Yeah, I don't know how much they are. Whatever it is, if it's like $200 per injector, I'm gonna sell for $50 injector, or maybe $25 injector. I don't know. But I will actually probably sell these because we don't need them. You want to buy them brand new or get the ones rebuilt, or I don't think those are needed. So we'll probably sell those. We can't sell that. Extra fuel pump we need. Yeah, a lot of stuff I'm not touching. The fuel injectors I'm okay with listing. So I'll probably list those up for $50 a piece or $25 a piece. Or maybe call up a mechanic shop and say, hey, do you want this? Block's not for sale. I love the block. Block's staying. I may sell the KS wheel. I don't think I want to sell it yet, but probably will, maybe. Gonna sell this welder here. Get this welder all out of here. It's my old welder. I got replaced by that guy there. Little guy. It's the only thing that sucks is its scratch start, but it's pretty powerful. 150 amps, I think it is. 130 amps. 130 amps TIG. It got me through everything I needed to ever get through. If I got bigger tips, I could have welded the roll cage with it, but I didn't have a big enough tip. I didn't want to buy a big enough tip. Plus, MIG welding's easier, so I felt like doing it that way. All right, I got this to sell. I don't know what I'm gonna sell for yet, but I'm gonna look online and see how much it's cost with 2 batteries, a charger, and everything like that. All right, charger works at least and everything like that. Don't know if the gun works yet, but we'll find that soon enough. All right, so we got all this stuff here we're gonna be selling. We're gonna be selling all this. That's a maybe pile right there, the 2. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it because I can use them, but as well as like, you know, maybe I just want to get rid of them. I don't know. Got a printer we can sell. Everything else up there I'm keeping. I'm selling my old PC, make all this thing. Tower and some old stuff, you know, I'm only gonna sell for like 20-30 bucks because realistically, I have a graphics card that goes with it. It's kind of old stuff, and you don't really use it anymore really in the PC world, so not gonna be using that. We got this intake manifold from a boat. I'm gonna sell for like 20 bucks. Welder, I'm gonna sell for 30 bucks. Other welder, I'm gonna sell for 30 bucks. So hopefully we can get it all. I mean, 90 bucks there. The fish stuff, I'm probably not gonna sell it. Maybe not. Debating on that. If I do, I'm listing for 100 bucks because that's more than 100 bucks right there as of equipment for a tank. So if I get anything else, it's gonna be a snake. If I get another pet like that, I'm gonna get a snake because I enjoy snakes. Alright, so what I gotta do here, guys, I gotta get these bolts. I just put these on, swapped it from that engine to this engine. But long story short is this has a different bell housing than this one. So I gotta swap over the two things, the two bell housings right here. Put that one on this one, put that one on that one, vice versa. And then, but first we gotta get the clutch off that, this off here. Come around here, I gotta get this motor mount off here, as well as I gotta take off this motor mount here, but I gotta take off this and this first before I can even do that. Sadly, I did not want to take this off, but sadly, I gotta take it off. And then after that, I think we're pretty much good on taking things apart, other than I just got to do one last thing as of just taking this off. I gotta get this thing out so I can, what do you call it? Put the rest of this stuff in. I just have this in there temporarily. So yeah, so let's get to work on this. Let's just try to get stuff buzzed off, and then we'll probably even try to get this stuff all apart and put this all together as well too. All right, well, I thought that was recording, but apparently it was not recording the whole time. But all right, so we got the flywheel off. They came out really easy. They were already on done. I had to remove this pipe because it was from these two bolts here. I also had to take the starter out, which when I realized, I found out this has a whole big giant hole in it. That does not be a hole. This is what it should look like. It should look like that. Solid. Which I hope this is the same thing. Yeah, it is. I just gotta clean that thing up. Now I gotta make sure that thing's cleaned up really good, because yeah, that's no good. No good anymore. Unless I weld it, but I'm not doing that on this. I'm just gonna put that one on this engine here. But oh my god, this is ridiculous. Purely ridiculous right now. And also, I think this is a lot more than just a cover. I think this is definitely connected to the seal and everything. So I don't think this is gonna come off that easy. Alright, so just in case the thing wasn't recording again, I keep hitting the button, but it's just, I don't know why it's not recording. But I got these bolts out. I'm trying to see if the one downstairs I have does come off all in one. But this one does not seem like it wants to, so. Alright, let's give this a shot. Ah, I went the wrong way, damn it. That was just burned. That was doing more damage than I wanted. The problem is it needs to be grabbed from back here. That's the main issue. You need to get some nice pointy thing just to go right into that, grab from back here, pull this off. Then you can pull this off. Oh, Dios míos. This big stuff is always a pain in the ass. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video off here. We tried getting the engine, but it started raining on me, so I had to rush everything, get everything apart. Everything into the truck, into the house, cover the engines. You know, so we're kind of stuck with it now. So I'm gonna do a video on racing, and that'll probably come out the next day. But this is our 12th video of daily. So I'll probably go to the gym. Actually, we'll probably do one quick race, and then probably go to the gym, come back, cook dinner, edit videos, go to bed. Probably that's the story of my life right now. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Comment down below how much you like the racing, any advice or anything like that. Subscribe to the channel. Don't chase wild dreams. Don't let it get in your way. Stay maverick. I'll see you guys next one.